We're checking out a 2 BHK with balconies in Baycity. What a lovely building. Excellent condition, very well maintained, very peaceful, quiet and tranquil locality, and the neighborhood in Khar West. That's the one. We're going to check out that one soon with one car park, and I'll be mentioning other details as well. Let's go and have a look at Baycity. We're checking out a lovely 2 BHK, a massive one with the balconies. This is the one. You got a living space here, and that's a little bit of a balcony. You got the grills, and this is your living in Khar. Baycity is the name of the building. We got a lovely kitchen as well, done up kitchen, so you don't have to spend much if you're an investor. You just buy it and put it on rent, and you can get a good rental income. You got a dry balcony, nicely done. So it's not luxuriously done, but it's not in a bad condition at all. You can just start living as soon as you step in. So 2 bedrooms, one here, one there, live in. There we go. So this is a lovely big bathroom. You can make it attach with the bedroom as well. Have a look. With balconies is a rare find. You can knock this off and make it like a French window, and really enjoy the balcony. Goes all the way. There we go. Goes all the way. My goodness. Have a look at the space. Baycity in Khar West. Let's have a look at the last and the final. That's the one. And this has the attached bath. There we go. So both can be attached bath. And this too has a lovely balcony where you step out, and just exactly the alter ego of the other one. That we saw there. So Baycity 2 BHK, most reasonable 2 BHK in Khar West. Advertise and sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this Khar West 2 BHK, all right, my guys. Cheers.